Okay guys, here is the next up, the outfit that I'm going to work on. So this one is in the making. So when I take this, if you guys see, I got this all put together. So now what I have to do is I'm going to have to soak this in bleach to come with the effect that I want to do. And if you guys see, I took a trim of thread all the way around because I want it to fray, but I don't want the whole thing to fray. And then this part, this sleeve is not attached. It's going to, when I'm done getting it to the bleach effect that I want, then I'm going to attach the sleeve back. So I also mark this. So I wanted to kind of show everybody, if you want to do stones and you want them to be in a certain design, you mark the shirt. But this is after it's done getting bleached. You take your chart and you will mark it. So say for instance, if you want to do a heart shape stones, you mark the heart. And then if you want to do the zigzag and just whatever you want to do in the sequence, you mark it. And then once you mark it, you could put the sequence, because I'm going to do my own little bling bling throughout. I'm going to have it in some type of design. So I wanted to show you guys, when you guys want to do these type of tops, use the E6000 and mark out your design, then you know exactly where to put the stones. So now the magic of, I wanted y'all to see, this is what it looks like before. And when you guys see it again, and I know y'all don't like me saying that, but I'm sorry, I can go When y'all see it again, it's going to be bleach. So I wanted to show how, like, if you wanted to do a certain type of rhinestone effect and you want your top to be different, that's what you do. So I'm also thinking about bleaching these jeans as well. So I know it don't match. If you look at it, now these is two different colors. They don't match. But I'm thinking about bleaching it to kind of make them come together to be something nice. So, see you guys in another video. And I also want to make, that's why I got this hat on. I want to make a denim hat. So I don't have none of the thick paper from the dollar store, but I wanted to also make my own denim hat. So I'm going to need some paper or cardboard to make the hat have this stiff brim. So I'm going to try that too. Bye-bye. Okay, so when I'm getting ready to put this top in the bleach, you take it and you just twist it. And I'm using dollar store bleach. I will encourage anybody that's doing it, you take the rubber bands, put it on. Don't lose Clorox. Clorox will eat the stuff up. And you just let it soak in the bleach to as long as you want it, because it's the tie-dye effect. And then when you get when you get what you're looking for, then you can take it loose. So it's going to go and soak in some bleach, guys. And yes, I'm sorry. But y'all just got to take it or leave it. I can't help saying that word. So is that everybody or however? So just twist it to how you will like it. And I'm going to use these ties like this. And it's going to go in bleach. And I put it in a bucket. Get you a bucket from the dollar store and just the dollar store bleach, and let it soak in some bleach, and then check on it, and then you'll unravel, and then you feel like it need more, it goes back in the bleach. So that, and now I'm going to do the pants, and these two objects is going to soak in bleach, and when they soak in bleach, and then when I get the desired look that I'm happy with, then I take it out of the bleach. So I bring you back once I get to the gluing of the stones.